Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon Spinosaurus. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a circle shape for the eye. And then inside of here, I'm going to draw a black dot for the pupil. Now starting right here, I want to draw a little curved line right above it for the eyebrow. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up, and then it's just going to come down like this for the nose. Then starting here, you want to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up, down, and then up again for the mouth. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line right there. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to kind of curve around here for the bottom of the mouth. And then you want to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come back down and then curve up here just to kind of form the jaw of the dinosaur. Now, right in here, I'm going to draw some little triangle shapes for his teeth. And then I'm going to draw some over here as well. Then right up here, I'm just going to draw a little black dot for the nose. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down for the head. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up for the body and then back down a little bit. And then I'm just going to make a long line that's going to kind of curve up for the tail, and then it's going to come back down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up and then down for the neck. And then they have kind of some long arms, so you want to make a line that goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve over like this. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this around, and I'm going to go up and down for like a little claw. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line for the hand. And then just make a line that's going to curve up, and then come back up here for the arm. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little curved line, and then I want to draw the leg. So starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve over. Then I'm just going to draw this line down, kind of like a crazy S shape. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then over for one of the toes. Then another one right here. And then I'm just going to draw this line up and then come down. And then you want to start here and draw a big curved line for the back leg. And then right here, I'm just going to add another little curved line for a toe. Now we want to add the other foot here. So you want to start here and draw a line that's just going to kind of curve over, and then it's going to come down. And then this one, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come right over here. And then it just kind of curves up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around, and it's going to go down. Then I'm going to kind of curve it back. I'm going to draw another little curved line right here for a little claw. And then I'm just going to draw a line that comes back up here. Now, we want to give him that great big kind of spine fin shape that he has on his back. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a little line. And then this next line, I'm going to make it a little bit taller. And I'm going to do the next one a little bit taller. And then when I get to here, I'm going to draw one that's nice and tall. Then I want my next ones just to kind of go down like these. So I'm going to draw one that's going to be a little bit shorter, and shorter, and then finally a small one right there. Then I'm just going to draw a little curved line to connect them. And you want to draw those curved lines just going up like this. And they're just going to connect right here. And then you just start drawing them down. Just like that. Now, right here on the hands, I'm just going to add two little curved lines for some claws. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Then I'm actually going to give him another claw. And I'm going to add another little claw right over here. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the feet, just add some little curved lines for the claws on the toes. Then right down here, I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy line, just so we can see a little bit of detail on the body. And I'm just going to bring this all the way down to the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon Spinosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.